YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, WaveManMike, and we're back for another video. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get waves if you have straight hair. Disclaimer, no, I do not have straight hair. But I don't need straight hair in order to teach someone how to get waves with straight hair. Why not? Because I know how to get waves in general. And getting waves in general and getting waves for straight hair is pretty much the same thing. It's just a couple of things that are different. So save your comments for yourself talking about, you don't even have straight hair. You can't even see my hair. It's under my do-rag. But anyway, just save your comments. Yes, I have waves. You can check my other videos. I have waves. You can check my Instagram. I have waves. So, yeah. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright, so as I said a couple of seconds ago, getting waves with straight hair is the same process as getting waves if you don't have straight hair. Pretty much. It's only a little teeny difference, but it's not really a difference because I'll get into that. But yeah, getting waves with straight hair is the same as getting waves with coarse hair and medium texture hair. I have like a looser coarse pattern, not completely like super coarse, but not quite medium either. Alright, so before you do anything, you want to make sure your hair is at the right length for getting waves with straight hair. I can't tell you an exact height because everybody's hair is different. So you just have to find what height is best for you. Usually for straight hair, somewhere between 2.5 with the grain and like 4 with the grain. Experiment with all those haircuts and see which one's best for you. Oh wait, before I say anything else, I want to get this clear. When I say get waves with straight hair, I mean like straighter textures of hair. I don't mean completely dead straight Asian type hair. Not all Asians have dead straight hair, but a lot of them, their hair is like really straight. But yeah, I don't mean like dead straight. I mean like straight for a waver, if that makes sense. Your hair has to curl at some point in order to get waves. So cut it, whatever length your hair starts curling at, cut it 1 or a half guard shorter than that, right? And then after you do that, you want to brush your hair. You can get pretty much any type of bristle brush, any type of wave brush really. I recommend that you get a medium brush or a hard brush. Alright, when it comes to how long you should brush your hair, I say you should brush your hair about 30 minutes to 2 hours when you're first starting. Anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. Maybe even an hour to 2 hours. But the more you brush, the more likely it is that your waves are going to come in quick, fast, and they're going to come in nicer. When it comes to products, I say to experiment with different products. Everybody's hair is different. Everybody's hair reacts to different things, different products. Just because some other straight hair waver can use Blue Magic doesn't necessarily mean you or other ones can use Blue Magic too. Same with Shea Moisture, 360 Style Pomade. But yeah, these, by the way, products don't get you waves. Products don't get you waves. That's not what gets you waves. Products assist you in getting your waves. Like, products are like a basketball player passing the ball to another basketball player before they make the shot. They're just assistant. They're not like the actual shot maker, if that makes sense. So what makes your waves? The thing that we just talked about, brushing your hair, yeah, that's what gets you your waves. You ain't gonna get waves if you don't brush your hair. I'm sorry, but it's true. Brush your hair, you will get waves. Don't brush your hair, you don't get waves. But you can't just brush for like 5 minutes for like 3 weeks and then think your waves are just gonna pop up. Like, no, it doesn't work like that. You need to put in excessive amount of brush time and work and effort, and then you're gonna get your result but it's not gonna necessarily be like that. Like, you can be brushing for like an hour a day, every single day, and it may take a month, maybe more, maybe less. Everybody's hair is different. If you want to check out my waves, you can go check them out on Instagram. You can go follow me on Instagram too. My Instagram name is WaveManMike. I post like all different types of pictures, really. Nothing really too specific. But yeah, I'd recommend you go check out and follow me on Instagram. Also, if you haven't liked this video already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and like the video and drop some comments down below. Y'all been slacking on the comments. But yeah, like the video. If this video gets 400 likes, if this video gets 400 views, I expect to see 400 likes. Like, as many views as I get, I want to see that many likes. So you right there watching, yes, you who still hasn't even turned your phone the opposite way to like the video. Turn your phone to portrait mode, scroll down, and like the video. It takes like 1 second. I don't know. Like, what's the big deal? Why can't you just like the video and subscribe? When you like the video, you're helping me out. So later on, when somebody asks you, what'd you do today? Or what'd you do yesterday? Say, I helped somebody out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is WaveManMike. Enjoy your day.